Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have seen how the upgrade from the terminal fails. So we tried to upgrade the Endeavour Atlantis Neo version to the latest release, that is the Endeavour Artemis version, using the terminal, but the update failed because the Jack 2 and wire plumber packages had some unresolvable conflicts. So we tried many different commands from the terminal to resolve the issue. We tried to ignore the two packages that were conflicting, but the conflict was unresolvable and we could not proceed ahead. So what I did is I am going to do a new install of the EndeavourOS Artemis. So better to review the desktops using the latest version of the EndeavourOS other than using the Atlantis Neo, which is the older version of the EndeavourOS. So in this video we will just do the installation of the EndeavourOS Artemis, that is the latest release few days back. So we already booted into the virtual machine of the EndeavourOS Artemis. So let us start the installer. So what we will do is we will do the offline install, and let us first check out the different community editions available. If there is some change in the community editions available, we will know, and then we can decide what to do, whether to go for the offline installation or the online installation. So let us try everything out with the Indian keyboard layout with English India with rupee. Go for the erase this, no swap. Let us go with ButterFS. Okay, so the community editions available are BSPWM, OpenBox, Qtile, Sway and WOM edition. So we will not go with any of them. We can do it later. We will first do the review of the main desktops that are available. So this Windows Manager very few people are using because they are used mostly by people who are using the older systems, so they are lighter on the resource usage. So people with older systems prefer them and the developers prefer them. Rest, the mainstream audience will go with the desktops like KD, Gnome, Cinnamon, XFCE, like them. So I will close this down. Let us start the installer. So if we go, let us try what is available in the online version. So let us try it. Let us see what happens. So the installer has remembered what input we had done for the keyboard keyboard layout earlier. So it is keeping those keyboard layout and the keyboard model same. Let us go with the same option for the partitioning. Okay, so here you can pick up this following desktops, that is XFCE4, i3WM. So this Windows Manager was not in the community edition, so this is the edition being maintained by the EndeavourOS developers. So then after that i3WM, it is Plasma KD, Gnome, Cinnamon, Mate, Budgie, LXD and LXQT. So what I will do is I will go back. Let us go back, or I think we have to cancel it. Yes, so we have to start the installer again. We'll go with the offline installation right now. So that will install the XFCE. This is to maintain the continuity, because we had planning to do the XFCE desktop review today. So let us do it, but we will do it with the Endeavour Artemis instead of the Endeavour Atlantis Neo, that we could not fortunately do it because of the issue with the terminal upgrade. So let us do it on the latest EndeavourOS version. Next. Okay, so it is remembering the keyboard model and layout. Let us go with the erase this option. Let us use the ButterFS, or we can go with the swap with no Ethernet option. So that will create a smaller swap file. Yes. Use the same password for admin account. Check out the summary of the installation that is going to be done. It is okay. Reconfirm your install now option. Now the installation has started. We have to lay back and wait for the installation to complete. The internet is available. It can download some packages if required. Unpacking is quite fast in EndeavourOS. In some of the Linux distros we have seen the unpacking is also quite slow. Installation is going quite fast. Okay, so the installation is complete. I think it took just few minutes to do the installation. So I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the XFCE desktop of the Endeavour Artemis OS. So bye bye. See you in the next video.